I'm in one of Blossom Valley's best neighborhoods. This is Thousand Oaks of the 95136 zip code. And not only that, I'm on a gorgeous tree-lined street, great location, bookended by parks. Hey everybody, it's Rusty Pop with Pop Properties of Antero Real Estate Services. I'm at 970 Glenridge Drive in San Jose, and this house is in gorgeous condition with upgrades that are too many to list. A remodeled kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and white shaker cabinets, and it has plenty of storage, including a pantry. This house has 3 full bathrooms, 2 downstairs, 1 in the master bedroom, and 1 guest in the hall, as well as a hall bathroom upstairs, 3 bedrooms downstairs, and 3 upstairs, which can double as offices, a workout area, or whatever your family needs, including guest bedrooms for when your family comes in out of town. In addition to remodeled bathrooms and a remodeled kitchen, it has really great engineered hardwood floors all the way throughout the first floor of the property, as well as new carpet in the upstairs, very luxurious. The whole house has been painted both inside and out with updated and modern colors. This house also has all the space that you could possibly need with a full formal living room, a formal dining room, family room right off the kitchen. It has a playroom where you can have anything that you want, including a pool table or other recreational games that could get you by those rainy days. And what I really like about this floor plan is it kind of provides 2 things. One is it has that wide open feel where you can have good gatherings with your family and friends, but also it has the privacy and separation of having 3 bedrooms upstairs, almost as if you could have extended family come stay at your house but not actually be totally in the mix. Now, as I mentioned, this house has a lot of upgrades which make the house gorgeous inside and out. I mean, look at this backyard, very low maintenance as you can see. Artificial turf where I'm standing now, as well as fresh concrete all the way around the entire structure of the house. 2 paver patios, one of which has a permanent cover that is gorgeous. Recently replaced fencing all the way around the whole property. We also have a lot of capital upgrades on this house, the type of things that are expensive but don't really show up in the pictures. I'm talking about double pane windows, an updated roof, plus central air conditioning. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, we're bookended by 2 parks at this great street here on Glenridge Drive, but also it's tree-lined throughout the whole entire neighborhood. Almost every single house has a very high level of personal maintenance by the owners. It makes for a very beautiful neighborhood to walk around on, push strollers, or take your dog for a walk. In addition to being a great central location, you're close to downtown Willow Glen, downtown Campbell, 87, 85, the light rail, and Caltrain, all of which can take you to the jobs on the peninsula that the Silicon Valley is world-renowned for. You're also close to downtown San Jose, which is where Google plans to build its largest US campus. There's plenty of hiking, Almaden Lake, and we're close to Oak Ridge Mall, Marshall Cottle Park, Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, and all the shopping and dining that you could want right at your fingertips. You gotta come check out this place at 970 Glenridge. If you have any questions about this house or any property in the Silicon Valley or really anywhere in the world, feel free to give me a call at the number that's on the screen, and I'd love to talk to you. You can also send me a text message if you prefer. We look forward to seeing you at the open house.